Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Marcus and welcome back to the channel where I share Twitch tutorials, streaming tips, and creator growth strategies. Today is July 10th, 2026, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Twitch viewers safely in 2026 using one of the most trusted platforms available. If you've ever struggled with streaming to an empty chat, getting discovered, or attracting your first audience, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. Over the years, I've tested different streaming growth services, and Followers Panda has consistently been one of the most established and reputable platforms. It offers Twitch and Kick growth services designed to help streamers increase their live viewer count while giving them control over how those viewers are delivered. Now let me show you exactly how it works. Go to Google and search for Followers Panda, open the official website. Once you're on the homepage, click Buy Twitch Viewers. You'll see multiple packages depending on the number of viewers you want and how long you want them to stay. Before placing an order, it's worth looking at the available features. Followers Panda offers instant viewer delivery, pause and resume controls, viewer interval customization, raid, follow-up support, poll participation options, Twitch chatters, dashboard controls, 24/7 customer support. These options let you manage your viewers instead of simply sending them all at once. For this tutorial, I'm purchasing 50 Twitch viewers, 2 hours duration, 15 Twitch chatters. Choose the package that best fits your stream. Enter your Twitch username and your email address. Then click Proceed to Checkout. If you're a new customer, Followers Panda will ask you to create an account. Verify your email with the OTP. Create your password. After that, continue to checkout. Followers Panda supports several payment methods. You can pay using Stripe, PayPal, Wallet Balance, cryptocurrency. For this tutorial, I'll add funds to my wallet first. Once the balance appears, I'll simply choose Pay with Wallet. Within a few seconds, the order is confirmed. Open my orders. Here you'll see every service you've purchased. My order includes 50 Twitch viewers, 15 Twitch chatters, 2 hours duration. Everything is visible inside the dashboard. One feature I really like is the amount of control you have. You can pause viewers anytime, resume them later, change delivery intervals, control chat timing, customize chat messages, adjust randomness, enable or disable poll participation. This gives you much more flexibility during your live stream. Now let's refresh the Twitch stream. As you can see, the viewer count begins increasing. After a short time, the stream reaches over 60 live viewers, showing that the service has started delivering as expected. Everything updates automatically while the stream is live. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more Twitch tutorials, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.